What up, people? I want to say a big thank you for joining me. So, I want to quickly share a work from home opportunity with you, and I would say this is the easiest, the best, the fastest, and one that I would really recommend to you guys. If you have some free time, or you have just the weekends free, or you just want to make some extra dough online, you want to make some extra money for different things. I spoke in the past about a couple of opportunities. I talked about user testing, about utest, spoken about G2 crowd, and a lot more, say, opportunities where you can do different tasks or different things to make money online. I've talked about stocks. Of course, stock trading is different from, say, testing websites or testing apps or testing things or even answering surveys and stuff like that. Now, the website I want to talk about today is called Tester Work. And I registered on this platform quite a while ago, but I never really tested there because I did not have so much time. And also, I did not really believe it was something so legitimate, let's say. But then I decided to give it a try. I was getting a lot of invitations to my email address, and then one day I decided to click on the link. Just open, let's see what's there. I clicked on it, and I must say that it was a particular product which I cannot disclose because of the NDAs, right? All they wanted me to do was to follow a series of steps, right? It's more usability testing. So you have a website or you have an app, and they just tell you to go in there, perform a series of tests or series of checks. Now, the reason why this is, I would say, the fastest is because these tasks are not time consuming. So you can finish all of your tasks in, say, 5-10 minutes. If you want to do more than one task, it's very possible as well, depending on the number of test cases available in the particular cycle for which you are invited. Now, to get started, you need to visit the website www.testerwork.com. I will see if there is a referral link which I can include in the description below, so please check that. When you get there, just go to become a tester, which you can see here. But before we do that, let's just go through the website. So test apps from companies like Facebook, Google, and the others. How does it work? You sign up, you test app on websites, and then you get paid. It's really as simple as that. So sometimes they ask a few questions. Was it easy to find this or that? After the test, what our testers say, whatever. You can go through any of this if you are interested. I am not interested right now, so let's just click on become a tester. Now, when you actually put in your details here, so he's going to ask for the basic things, your email, your password, whatever. You sign up here, but this is not the important part. The important part is what happens after you put in these details. You receive an email to activate your account, and then you need to put in your devices. So you will get invitation based on the amount of devices you have. So it's very similar to utest, but this is more simplified. So I'll just show you what my dashboard looks like and the devices I added. I added just a few of them. If you have, say, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 phones, or even gadgets, some phones, some tablets, some, say, notebooks or MacBooks, or let's say computer desktop, whatever it is you have, you need to add it there. So I'll just show you my dashboard. So I logged into my dashboard, and first thing you can see that I added some of my devices: Essential PH, Honor, iPhone, Samsung S4, and then I added my Windows 7 laptop, my Windows 10. I added some of my MacBooks as well, some of my Ubuntu devices, some of my old MacBooks as well. You need to understand, at least for me, I have all these devices. If you check my dashboard in utest, there's a lot more devices than this. But with this few devices I added, for example, they were just 4, but then I had to do a test case which required me to add all of my devices, and that's why I did that. But with, say, you have just a phone or you have just a laptop, it's totally fine. There is nothing else you need. If you have just a phone, you're fine. If you have just a laptop, you're fine. and you don't need 20 hours a day, you don't need 50 hours a day. Just few minutes of your day is enough for you to make some money. Let's just see if I proceed. I think I can just okay, let me just confirm that I still got them, and then we move from here. If you don't have any of these devices anymore, you just cancel it and it's out. But now, since I still have them, no other device, and then continue to test the work. Awesome. Okay, so this is my dashboard. As you can see here, this is my name on the right hand side, and it says I'll guess this rating is still bronze, which is the lowest one. And that's because, as I said, I have not really been testing here. I just started recently and decided to share it with you guys. Let's see, I think you can find, if I go to test settings. So for me, these are the tests I am interested in: functionality, usability, and all the others. If you are interested only in functionality or usability, you can just check those. So I just went here. So ranking, you can see that bronze is the lowest one there. It's just times 1.0. So that's whatever you make is multiplied that way. The more you test, the more your ranking would go. So what our advice is, you guys sign up, and here you can see they have some learning materials or learning center which you can actually take courses in. Right now I do not have any invitation, no test cycle at the moment, as it is stated here. You can check if you find anything in the learning center that would benefit you or would be interesting. It doesn't really have to be all about how to make money right now, right there. But maybe they have some materials that can help you sharpen some skills you have as well. You receive invitations to your email address, so you get a notification there, and then you can log into the dashboard where you can execute the test case itself. As I said, it is the fastest, the easiest, and you do not need a lot of time to complete the task. You don't at all. And you need to have made about $5 in order for them to pay to your PayPal. I don't remember if there are other payment methods. I use PayPal. I receive my money to PayPal, and they pay at any time of the week. At least that's what I have noticed. I've received payment a few times, and it came in just on random days, provided you have gone past $5, which is very, very, very easy to actually make. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Check it out and let me know if you have questions in the comments section below, or you can just DM me on Instagram at FAMSPLINX, so FAMSPLINX. On Twitter, the same handle, or you can just write to me on Facebook, same handle, FAMSPLINX. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.